In this video, I will show you how to remove a credit card from Canva. To do this, open up Canva and in the top right, click on your profile right there and go to Plans and Pricing right here and go to Settings right here. Then from here, you want to go and click on Billing and Plans. Then here you can see, for example, I have this credit card, and if I want to remove it, under it you can see to remove your payment option, cancel your subscriptions below. Now if you don't want to cancel your subscription, then what you want to do is click change and just change or update your payment method to either a new credit or debit card or PayPal. And after entering the details, then go and click save or connect. Now, if you do want to remove your credit card, then what you need to do is here on your subscription, click on the three dots and go and click on cancel plan and then click continue cancellation and just go and confirm it. And then you will have canceled your Canva subscription and with that also removed your credit card in Canva. So that's how to remove your credit card on Canva. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.